Hey, this is Steven from Legit Tech Tutorials and the Legit PC slash the Legit Mobile, and welcome back to Ava's game. I don't even know what version we are on of this one. Let's see. So this is from obviously. Did I open the wrong one? Wait a second. Oh, this is the right one. I wonder why it's named differently. Anyways, yeah, so I did have a couple issues with this, and actually, I might have an issue right now. I remember now it had a lot of issues compiling the images. So let's see what version we are on. Ava's game construct 2. So it looks like we are on video number 7. So this is construct video number 7. So let's go ahead and get into it. So again, off camera, I set this all up so that now all of these should work. So now if I go here and hit debug, okay, it did load. So another thing also that I just thought that I want to implement. So again, here we have all of the implementation working. Wait, why did? Oh, did I not set up the line right? I'm missing something somewhere. Okay, let's make sure the line works. So I think what we do want it to do is we want it to play once it gets to that location. So here what we're going to do is we're also going to add another condition if the arrow So basically this one here. Now we should be able to copy and paste that. Yeah, right there. Okay, so now let's try it. So let's go back and debug. So now it should only do it when it gets there. Oh. I think there's nothing in here. Oops. Okay. So I think this actually needs to be rotation degrees -1 and +1. Oh. Okay, so now let's see. Oh, and by the way, sorry about the fan, but it's extremely hot in here, so. There we go. Now it plays when it gets to that point. Perfect. So now we basically, the idea is that we nest that a whole bunch of times and come up with all our animals. Now, another thing I also want to do is I want it that if Ava touches on the animal, it'll make the animal sound. So I think that's going to be very easy. So let's go ahead and add an event. And also I want to kind of organize how this goes. So let's do that. Boom, 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 boom. Let's move these guys here. Okay, so now let's do here. So let's add something, add an event, and let's say that touch is touching object. Click object. Let's say cow. Wait, let's say not is touching. Let's replace condition. So let's say that is on any touch end. So because we don't want it to keep playing the cow, that's going to be super annoying. So, whoops. Okay, so in any touch end, we want to add another condition that if he's touching the cow, whoops, add another condition, touching is touching object, cow. Okay, then we want to play audio, play cow, cow moo, not looping, done. Okay, so now theoretically, if we move this guy up here, oops. There we go. So now, theoretically, if we go here and debug project, beautiful. So I don't know if you guys heard that, but basically, if I go here and I touch the cow, I'm not doing anything, not touching anything. If I click anywhere else, nothing happens. If I click on the dot, if I click on the cow makes a sound. And so let's show you guys that with the lion. So basically if we take this and this, so, no, there we go. Copy, paste, is touching lion, done, play, lion. I wonder if there's is finished playing. Is there is finished playing? So I think that's a condition. So let's see if we could add that. Add another condition, audio. So now let's try that. So basically it won't let you do that. Okay, so it looks like is silent is not the best idea. Because once it is silent, it won't finish playing, I think. So let's replace condition. If not anything else is playing. Yeah, see, if I click multiple times now, it won't let me do that. So I do like that. That works. And I don't know if you guys could hear me, but I'm clicking like crazy in the background, and it's not doing anything. So, oh, you know what? I don't have desktop audio engaged. on this. Wow, I didn't even know that. Let me see, can I edit? I didn't even know that. Why? Oh, it's desktop audio device. Oh, I wonder if it was. Let me see. Oh, it is playing. Okay, it is playing on desktop. I probably could have swore I thought I wasn't recording desktop. That would have sucked. Okay, so now if you notice Lion, I can click many, many times and do that. Uh-oh. Now I can't touch a cow. Oh, I think it's because he has a long thing at the end, I think. Interesting. Yeah, I think he's got a really, really long audio. Yeah, he's got a really, really long audio clip. He just needs to have his audio clip trimmed. Because if we play him, yeah, he's got a 5-second audio clip. So let's actually look at that. Well, what the heck? What's project? Okay. So let's see. Yeah, so he's got a 5-second audio clip. So he's got a big tail on it. Not good. So we'll have to change. Obviously, we could edit that in Udacity or whatever. Just clip off the end of it. Not a big issue. Okay, so now we're gonna add the other condition. Audio is playing. Is any playing? And then we're gonna negate it, invert it. So play Lion Roar. Okay. So anything else that we want here? I think that we should increase the speed. Oh, every tick it's 1. That's fine, because otherwise it might overstep. That's fine for right now. Because I wonder if you could unlock the game so that it's moving at more than 59, 60, blah, blah, blah. Well, this is WebGL. Cool. Alright, so that looks really, really good. We have 40 events remaining. Man, we can make a really big game on the free version. I'm very, very impressed with this software. Okay, so now, anything else that we need to do, or are we just going through and looking for animal stuff? I think we're just going through animal stuff. So let's go back here and look at our layout. Oh yeah, we had that horse. So let's do the horse again. Cartoon horse. And I think it was this one that gave an issue, but it's got a Shutterstock logo at the bottom. So say this guy, oh, he's got a thing around him too. Clip art library. Save image as. Okay, let's try this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save it first. Project save as. Download a copy. And it's going to say Ava's Game 8319. Okay. Save file. Alright, so now let's go into our folder for that. Ava's Art Game Art. Horse. This is the new horse, is it? Yes. This is the new horse. Is he in here somewhere? Yeah, there he is. Okay. So this guy is approximately 128 by 128. So let's make this guy also 128. And then hold shift. Remember, hold shift when you're moving. Perfect. And then have them so that the two angles touch. Two tips touch. Like so. Bam, there he is. Perfect. And so I'm thinking that we're looking at the same deal here. And we could always go in and kind of get this really, really good. But pretty much what we're going to do is take this whole thing here. Copy. Paste. And Lion Roar. Looks good. So man, really what I would like now is to see if my brother could come in and we could do some live audio here and plug it in. But what I could also do is I could delay the rest of this and have my brother do the audio, because really this stuff would just kind of be after the fact. What I could do, is I could have, you know, an artist go in and design something on the inside here and design something on the outside here. But really the idea is to output it. So maybe that's what we'll look at the rest of the video. See if we can actually output something through here. So here this is 30, was it 25? 25. So 217. So this is going to be a horse. And then we want to copy, paste. Perfect. Horse. Horse. Oh, and let's make sure that that horse makes it. Oh, that kind of scared the crap out of me. That's not bad. I like it. Okay. Come on, load. Okay, good. Beautiful. Oh my God. Beautiful. Okay. So that looks good, that looks good, that looks good, everything here looks good, all that looks good. I mean, there are some stuff in here that can be deleted that we're not even using, so we will get around to that. So now what else? I mean, I really have. So again, this is our game here. So I really have, I mean, we have music, but same deal with that. You just have the music play. This thing, maybe this thing flipping over would be kind of interesting, but basically it's just going to load another loadout. So it just has a second layout, pretty much. I wonder, so let's look, what would that entail? So let's add event, system. Maybe that one I could do every X seconds instead of every tick. Yeah, let's change that. Replace condition. Let's try 1 second. See, it's very, very slow. Okay, that's very strange. It wants the 0 before the dot. Kind of weird. Even that's pretty slow. Okay, this is 60 frames per second, so it has to be... let's go even lower. Like... So that's an interesting syntax, so make sure you have the 0 before. Maybe even double that speed. Whoa, that was way over by the line. I mean, pretty much that could be easily checked out, where we just go in and we go onto this thing and we rotate this thing and we find out, okay, about there is cut off, about there is cut off. And again, like I showed, we could add the little thing on top here, but really it's just got to be ballpark. That really doesn't seem like it's faster. Very strange. Why does it seem like... I think my math here is backwards. Oh, I don't have any math here. So, I mean, I think this is extra on top. Let's just do it every tick, because I think that is... I think it's easier on the processor. Okay. Let's delete all this stuff. Just for the hell of it, I'm curious what this does. Can you actually program in here? I would like to know a little bit more about that, but that's at a later time. Alright, so everything's cleaned up here. So we have our 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can I add something? Like a comment between somewhere? Oh, it's down there. Okay, so this is Alright, so let's go ahead and look at what would it take to output this to a system. So we're probably going to have to go on Construct 3's website. Oh, it jumps right in the editor. So yeah, they have this other one that jumps right in the editor. I should probably make that on the screen. So let's see. Construct 3 has been updated when? So they have a lot of good scripting updates. So let's see here. $8 per month. $100 per year. Okay, so free edition says 25 events. Why does it say I have 50? So the question is, can I actually get it out? Okay, so let's see. What can I actually play? Can I just export it as desktop? Or just an exe? Not a Windows store, but just something to play. I don't even know what that is. Web game portal. Okay, well it didn't get mad at me here also. Oh, sweet. I probably should have saved it first. Yeah, probably should have saved it first. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Hey, look what we got. Offline support. Web app install, banner, touch, device motion orientation. These require device touch, motion, orientation, expressions. So I need HTTPS hosting. Oh, so I did do this project. That was a long time ago. I remember doing that project. Okay. So it looks like it is published. So technically I could host this on one of my websites and it would work. But number one, let's go ahead and save this. So let me look for the other previous one. 8.3, delete it. Menu, project, save as, download a copy. Ava's okay, so now let's see. In downloads, Ava's. Where's the zip? Said it downloaded a zip or something. somewhere. Here it is. Let's see here. Where to download it to? Oh, there it is. Okay, so let's extract files here. Okay, so now what I'm very curious. Oh. What did it open? What is even in here? Aw, crap. I think I just made that thing explode all over the place in here. That's okay. Let's extract files. Extract it here. Create a folder at the top. Here it is. Okay, so here it is. Now, what is the size? The size is 1.2 meg. Ooh. 1.2 meg, that's big. I think it's the image size. So I would have to drop that. I think it was like 300K. 1.2 meg is pretty small. But still, let's see. Okay, so let's run it in offline mode here. Open with, let's use Chrome. And it says, basically, it says I gotta upload it. Let me see. Exporting games won't work until you upload them. Let me close all my other windows in this. So it says, exported games won't work until you upload them. When running on the file protocol, browsers block many features from working for security reasons. Oh, you just hit OK. Will it open? Okay, it still works. Sort of. I think it just blocked it. Wait a second. Wait, what did I just do? Let's open this with Chrome. So what if we just hit OK? I think Chrome blocks it entirely. Okay, so Chrome is blocked entirely. What about Firefox? Firefox is blocked. Okay, so basically Internet Explorer, or Edge. I think I did I do Explorer or Edge? Okay. Not supported. So yeah, so I opened it with Microsoft Edge, and it does load. So Edge will work. So if you guys are gonna try it, use Edge. And we're almost 35 minutes. Is it not loading them? It only let me play one. Very strange. But, I mean, we do have it working elsewhere, so I'm wondering how it will work on the phone. I'm trying to get back to the horse. Okay, so I mean, everything does work. Cool. So basically what I would like to do is figure out why you can't just directly click on them again. So let's figure that out next video. And also next video have my brother do some live audio where he says horse, and then we'll have that audio, and then we'll clean up all the other audios, and then we'll have kind of a project that's done that just needs to have some off-air work where it just is rotated. So probably what I'll do for that is I'll just do like a speed go through, like two times speed or whatever, where if you want to watch that extra content of me just basically copying and pasting all this stuff to get it to work, then you could do so. But otherwise, I don't think that's gonna be fun. But I will upload this on my website and see if I can get it to run correctly, or run the full version, I guess you could say, on the phone. So that's really what I want to try. So let's see if we can get that done. And I will see you guys on the next Ava's video on Ava's game. And it's been Steven from Legit Tech Tutorials, and the Legit PC and the Legit Mobile. And I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for Zombie Alamo. We're gonna be catching up, doing a lot of videos I planned this weekend to get caught up with that and get to the place that we left off, or how many videos we missed before. I was thinking about shooting one right now, but we'll see. I might do that tomorrow. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Peace.